Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get a Slack token. If you're building a Slack bot or integrating Slack with an app, you'll need a Slack token. It's your app's key to access Slack's API. Now in this video tutorial, I'll walk you through how to get your Slack token step by step by giving you some some instructions, so listen carefully and follow these instructions and you'll be able to get a Slack token in no time. Now let's start by the first steps. The first step is to go to the Slack's API website, and to do that, just open your web browser. I'm choosing Chrome for this one, and go to api.slack.com. Click on Get Started. Now after you click on Get Started, make sure you log in using your account's credentials with your Slack account. After you log in, see here. After you log in with your Slack's account, click on your apps in the top right corner. Now this will be displayed in your account's dashboard. After click on your apps, then the third step is to create a new app. And you can do that by clicking on create a new app and choose from scratch, then name your app and select your Slack's workspace. The fourth step is to add the OAuth scopes. And to do that, just go to the OAuth and permissions in the left side menu, and under scopes add necessary bot token scopes, for example chat, write or users read. The fifth step is to install the app to your workspace. And to do that, just scroll to the top of the OAuth and permissions and click install app to workspace, and then click on allow. As for the sixth and final step, copy your Slack bot token. Now after installation, you'll be able to see your bot's user token. Copy it, it starts with XOXP. And that's your Slack token. Use it in your code or integration. Keep your token private and secure, and never share it or upload it publicly. And use environment variables to store it in your app safely. And now your Slack's token is the gateway to building bots and integrations. Now that you have it, you're ready to start automating Slack like a pro. And this was it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.